girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and I coach women how to write a better story through the power of scripting. And in today's video, we're going to be showcasing our new pocket-sized traveler's notebooks that is going to hit the store early 2024. I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned. Girls, this one I think we've all been waiting for. I was really trying to get this done for this year to launch for Christmas, but I didn't get it done. They didn't get it finished for me. So I'm really excited though with how it turned out. It's beautifully made. There's some changes I made it in an out and about. It also comes in a new leather. Let me just dive in and show you this way first, and then I will flip you around. This is my pocket-sized traveler's notebook, Planner Perfect, that's hitting the store early 2024, and I'm so excited. And it's gonna start with this brand new leather that is incredible. So I don't know if you see the beauty right now, but it is in a beautiful like patent type leather that is nude, like completely beige nude, and it is shiny. I mean, do you see that? The gloss is unreal. This is genuine leather. There is the brand stamp. I mean, look at how gorgeous. The other thing that why it's not making its debut by Christmas is because it didn't get prototyped with the pen loop. And I'm just kicking myself. I didn't put that in when I sketched it out. I didn't have it have the pen loop, and I'm just like it was just, I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why, but it's still making its debut soon. And look at the leather. Girls, we are going to absolutely love using this. I think it would make such the perfect on-the-go traveler's notebook. I put it in an out and about style. If I have enough requests to do my everyday organized style, I may do it. However, I just think that this is the perfect style for it. And I don't know if I would do the everyday, but I'm open. So without further ado, I'm going to turn you around and give you a detailed look at this new beauty coming soon. Okay, here she be. I do not have a name for this beauty yet, this leather, but this is our pocket. So what we offer now is A5, we have wide, we have narrow, we have B6, B6 slim, and we have personal. And so now this will be the new addition. I wanted a new leather. I have a couple new leathers coming in 2024. This is one of them. I absolutely love this. So let's just dive right in. Of course, if you're new to me, we have our binding that the spine that looks like this so that our books go back. It has, I'll show you the inside here. What the style I am using here is where I've got all the card slots on the one side. You've got a pocket right here. It fits 4 books. It has a zipper. Now the reason why I did get asked this, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I didn't design it this way. These books are mine as well. This is all my artwork that are on my books. If you are new to me, you can go onto my website and you can pick your art, and then you pick your inside pages and you can pick your text. So it's completely customizable. But the reason why I didn't do the zipper on the outside, I had someone ask me about why I didn't do it on the outside, and I think it deserves answering this here. But because I have had traveler's notebooks that open on the outside like that, and I've had wallets that opened up on the outside like this, and guess what? If you think about this, and it's happened to me several times, if you don't have this closed, let's say you're in a hurry and they give you your change or whatever, and you just close it up and you're like this, and you walk out the door and you had just gotten in there and you didn't zip it up, all of your coins fall out onto the floor. Happened to me so many times, more than I can count. And so I like to keep it in here because if your change moves, obviously it's just going to center itself right here, and it's really easy to save your change, not be on the floor and grabbing all of this loose change. That's why I wanted the wallet to get in here, or the zipper to go on the inside. Now, mind you, you can do this and you can bend it and you can just go in here and get your coins. So this wallet, this leather in particular, is a little bit more sturdier. So it's not like it's very pliable, like let's say our Adele leather or any kind of other leather, but you still can reach in there, grab your coins, put in a card, and you're going to be, it's just better this way. Trust me, that's why I designed it that way. Let me show you too, if you're new, before I'll put these back in then, but you've got the 4 strings to hold the books. You've got hidden this beauty that hides the knots. So all of these were designed to be very professionally done. All of the knots are hidden behind here so that it is just, every time when you look at it, it's just completely finished. It's a finished work. And as you can see, there's no rawness on this. Some of mine might have some raw inside if I need to, but most of mine are double layered, which gives them a really great, amazing finished look. A beautiful elastic. It's a beautiful brown. Goes so well with this nude. And it's just stunning. So these are obviously pocket-sized traveler's notebook, or not traveler's notebook, but these are pocket-size books, journals. You could put a planner in here, one of our planners. You could do a meal planner. You can do a grocery list. We have a lot of inside pages that you can choose. These were random that I actually had on hand, and so I just put these in. But I'm loving it, girls. I'm absolutely loving it. So just note that my pen loop will be right here, and it is coming, where you can, all my pen loops, you can fold them in. Where it's right here. It'll be right there. This is another one of mine. This is Cocoa in a B6. But you just take it, you can fold it in like that. And then it looks like this, which I love my pen loops. I absolutely adore my pen loops. I never want mine too far out. I don't want it high. I don't want it too low. I want it right in the center, and I want it to fold in, and I want to be able to put my elastic around it. It makes sense. It works. It makes it beautiful to write in. So look for that. It'll be right in the middle. It will obviously then fold in. So you can, the pen kind of goes in here, and then bam. So for right now, I'm using it. Believe you me, girls, I'm using this. And then the pen will just kind of be tucked in there like that. This is the Pocket Size Planner Perfect Traveler's Notebook, coming in at you with a new leather, launching early 2024. I wanted to give you the heads up. I wanted you to be able to see what's coming. I have more videos showing, separate videos of all what's coming, stuff you haven't seen. Even if you have seen my lives and you think you know it all, you have no idea. I'm going to be showing those here just on my YouTube, coming up by next week and the weeks to come, because I'm going to do them each individually to showcase what's coming for Christmas and also for 2024. Stay tuned. Let me know what you think of this girl, and also drop down in the comments what you think this leather should be named. Until next time.